Let me tell you a little bit about why we decided to have this event, Shoptoberfest. I've been in e-commerce for 25 years, and I found myself going to all of these events hosted by all these technology companies that were really just a commercial for them. And what I thought is, man, you know what the world needs now is more community, more connection, more time together. And so we've thrown this event, and it's actually not about Shopware at all. It's about the community. And so you guys are the community of e-commerce. We are super proud to be a part of the community. We're proud to be a spark to make this event happen. But again, this is for and by the community. Man, you know you're in the right industry when you go to bed incredibly excited so you can wake up and be a part of this e-commerce community. Thank you all so much for coming today. Give yourselves a round of applause.